This Spotlight on Life Insurance is sponsored by Financial Independence Group. Our products are strong, but our strength is in our people. For more information, please visit figmarketing.com. Most U.S. insurance executives expect flat sales for individual and group life coverage in 2011, according to a survey published recently by LIMRA. Approximately 59% of executives surveyed said they believe individual life insurance sales will remain flat, while 68% expected the same for group life sales. Around one-third of respondents said they expect indexed life products to fare best this year, largely due to their continued classification as an insurance product rather than a security. Another 27% of respondents said they expect whole life sales to see the most success in 2011. Meanwhile, 75% of those surveyed said they expect their sales force to diminish this year. Just 73 companies said they are currently recruiting, down significantly from 220 companies 2 decades ago, while 5 companies currently account for 65% of all new hires, LIMRA said. A federal judge has blocked efforts by Conseco Life Insurance Company to increase premiums for approximately 50,000 universal life contracts. U.S. District Judge Howard Matz of the U.S. District Court of the Central District of California handed down the ruling earlier this month. A group of policyholders filed the class action suit against Conseco Life, alleging that the insurer wrongfully decided to raise the cost of insurance rates on its value life and value term life insurance policies through delayed rates that would occur at a future date. The suit seeks injunctive, declaratory, and monetary relief against the insurer, alleging breach of contract and violations of the California Business and Professions Code. Matz granted a motion for summary judgment prohibiting Conseco Life from implementing rate increases on the policies, and told the plaintiff to file a declaratory judgment within 5 days of the order. Matz cited the specific language in the policies when explaining his ruling. Quote, "The court finds that the modifier current serves as a limitation on Conseco's ability to set deferred COI rates. To the extent that the phrase current monthly cost of insurance rates is ambiguous under established principles of contract law, the ambiguity must be resolved against the drafter. Here, that is against Conseco." Unquote. Two executives at Houston-based National Life Settlements, LLC, have been indicted by a grand jury in Texas. Chief Executive Howard Judah, Jr. and Principal Gregory Jablonski were each charged with securities fraud and the sale of unregistered securities to retired state employees, teachers, and other Texas investors. They were each being held on $1 million bail. The Texas State Securities Board alleged in 2009 that the firm sold fraudulent life insurance settlement claims, prompting a state-appointed receiver to seize the company's accounts. According to the indictment, approximately 270 investors deposited around $20 million with the company between 2006 and 2008 to purchase life settlements, with nearly $3 million contributed from the retirement accounts of former teachers and state employees. National Life Settlements then sold the investments, promising investors proceeds of between 8% and 10% each year for 5 years, as well as return of principal. In 2009, the Texas State Receiver seized approximately $19 million in bank accounts connected with the company and its officials, the Security Board said. Meanwhile, the indictment states that only $3 million was returned to investors over a 2-year period, while around $3 million was paid in commissions to unregistered securities salespeople. According to Houston attorney John LaGrab, who represents both Judah and Jablonski, the matter hinges on whether life settlements are securities. If not, disclosures cited by the State Securities Board are not required, he said. Quote, "Only one court in Texas has ruled on that, and it said life settlements are not securities." Unquote. He also noted that a federal circuit court has made the same ruling. For more industry spotlights, visit producersweb.com.